Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is your Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but grab yourself 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one, my undivided attention and focus on you. Come on to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and we can have a chat. But first, here is your quote for today. Success only comes to those who dare to attempt. It's really simple. If you don't try, how would you know? If you don't take that first step into the unknown, going towards that big goal of yours, just how will you know if it won't work? If you want to go and take it all on, jump in. Try whatever you're trying to do. This one decision could be the start of your biggest adventure yet. Those who dare to try are those who always win.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.